Are carrots actually good for your vision? It has long been thought that eating carrots enhances your vision and supports eye health, particularly at night. Although there is some truth to this, the link between carrots and vision started as a myth. British Royal Air Force pilots used radar for the first time to locate and shoot down enemy aircraft during World War II. The visual acuity of the pilots, especially at night, was credited to eating carrots in an effort to conceal this new technology. This sparked an ongoing advertising push to promote carrots as a food for superior vision. This exaggerated association between eating carrots and having better night vision is still talked about today. Carrots do contain certain components that are helpful for your eyes, even if they aren't exactly the magical eye food they were promoted to be during World War II. Beta-carotene and lutein, two antioxidants that can guard against free radical damage to the eyes, are abundant in carrots. Free radicals are substances that, when in excess, can cause cellular damage, aging, and chronic illnesses including eye ailments. Our bodies transform beta-carotene, which is abundant in orange carrots, into vitamin A. Night blindness can result from a vitamin A deficiency, but it is frequently curable. Cooked carrots are better for you than raw ones because they increase the absorption and utilization of beta-carotene in your body. Furthermore, eating carrots with a fat source enhances absorption since vitamin A and its precursors are fat-soluble. The most lutein may be found in yellow carrots, which may prevent age-related macular degeneration, a condition where eyesight gradually becomes blurry or impaired. There are other benefits of eating carrots in addition to helping maintain healthy eyes. Carrots promote gastrointestinal health. Due to their high fiber content, carrots aid in preventing constipation. About 2 grams, or 8% of the daily recommended amount, of fiber are found in 1 carrot. Carrots lower the risk of cancer. By fostering normal digestion, fiber-rich foods like carrots may help prevent colon cancer. Some antioxidants found in carrots have also been linked to anti-cancer properties. Carrots control blood sugar. Because carrots have a low glycemic index, eating them won't result in a significant rise in blood sugar levels. Additionally, the fiber they provide helps control blood sugar levels. Carrots are beneficial to the heart. Lycopene, an antioxidant that helps protect the heart, is abundant in red and orange carrots. Additionally, carrots may lessen heart disease risk factors including high blood pressure and cholesterol. Carrots safeguard your skin. Beta-carotene and lycopene antioxidants help protect your skin from UV damage. Carrots may aid in weight reduction. Carrots are high in fiber and low in calories. Eating them makes you feel fuller longer, which may help you stop eating too much and lose weight. The fact of the matter is, just because the idea of carrots promoting healthy eyes and good eyesight is based on a myth, it doesn't mean it's actually false. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to get more videos like this one.